Har Ghar Tiranga campaign by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to commemorate 76 years of India's independence had echoed from every corner of the country. It had encouraged the citizens across the nation to display tricolour at their own respective houses. On 14th August, Confederation of All India Traders (CAIT) said that the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign by Prime Minister Narendra Modi had generated a business of rupees 500 crores with over 30 crores flags sold this year. The campaign was launched on July 22 to encourage people to hoist or display the national flag in their homes for 3 days, between August 13 and August 15. The campaign is part of the government's Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav initiative launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in March 2021 to commemorate 75 years of independence. The campaign is part of the government's Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav initiative launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in March 2021 to commemorate 75 years of India's independence. The sale of more than 30 crores tricolours generated a revenue of rupees 500 crores. The movement has demonstrated the capacity and capabilities of an Indian businessman, B.C. Bhartiya, National President, CAIT, and Pravin Khandelwal, Secretary General, in a joint statement said that Har Ghar Tiranga movement has depicted the capacity and capability of Indian entrepreneurs who manufactured more than 30 crore flags in a record time of about 20 days, catering to the unprecedented demand of Tiranga among the people. During the last 15 days, CAIT and various trade associations across the country have organized over 3,000 Tirangas events. Last month, the Ministry of Home Affairs noted that the amendment of the Flag Code of India 2022 that allowed the manufacturing of polyester or machine-made flags as well as hand-spun and hand-woven or machine-made cotton, wool, silk, khadi bunting. The amendment helped in easy availability of flags and gave employment to more than 10 lakhs people who had made the tricolour in their homes or at other places, engaging local tailor in a big ways. National Desk Report, Karbing Long Line.